wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So finally getting to try this new Danessa Myricks Blurring Balm powders. If you guys want to see how that goes, let's go. Danessa Myricks just been killing it this year on the launches, especially this Yummy Skin line. I have the this Yummy Skin Glow Serum that you can also use as a primer. I'm gonna use that today. I have the Yummy Skin Serum Foundation in the shade 22N, and then there's this new product here. I've seen people talking about it. I've seen people saying that you need this. It's the Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder Face and Eyes. So this retails for $36. I believe it comes in 12 shades. I got it in the universal shade, like the translucent one. And it says a texture reducing, coverage boosting, blurring balm that balances oil throughout the day while maintaining hydration. What else you need to know? This groundbreaking balm to powder formula is powered by Swedish super ingredient Upsolite. Okay. The cutting edge technology supports natural sebum and reduces oil throughout the day for a natural clean glow. The petal-like texture feels like a balm but sets like a powder for a long-lasting shine-free look. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I can't help myself, so I already technically tried this already, but I tried it like on top of makeup because it says you can do that as well. So today, especially since I got the universal like translucent shade, I want to try it as like a primer type thing because really like this is supposed to be balm for oily skin. So we're gonna see how it looks that way. Let me tell y'all, this has been a game changer for me because you can wear it like without anything else. I went to take pictures yesterday? What day is today? Yesterday with Drea, and I just did not feel like putting makeup on my face. So I was like, I'm just gonna put this on and then fill in my brows and put on lashes. So if you guys have seen this picture on Instagram or anywhere else, yeah, this is the only thing that I'm wearing in that picture. I don't have, like conceal literally anything else. It's just this this product. Someone slept good last night. Look, you see that? What I like about this, if I could open it, is if you guys ever see those companies that they send the product with a little scoop thing, but it's like, where am I supposed to put it after I finish using it? Which is why I never end up keeping them, and I just end up using either my finger or whatnot to scoop the product out. I like how it's built into the product so that after you're done using it, you just pop that back in. I like seeing this. Black woman from infinity to infinity. Okay, so this is what the product looks like, and like I said, I've already used it, so that's why you can tell. But I'm gonna use this in my T-zone as like a primer. Now, you might be wondering, okay, so what were your thoughts when you used it the first time? When I used it the first time, I feel like, it did what it said it was going to do, but I don't know if it's because I used it, like over makeup, where I felt like I saw a little separation when I was trying to blend it in on top of the makeup, if that makes sense. So I was like, ew. Because I've seen people using this as like a foundation, so I'm like, am I missing? Because it definitely says you can use it on top. So that's what I'm just going to, especially since it's this shade color. They do have, like pigmented shades because of this shade color. I'm like, today I'm gonna use you as a primer and see how that works out for me. Okay, definitely took some of that glow away. But we have oily skin, so yeah, I'm not that mad about that. And then the foundation, not too much. Going into that warmer weather. I don't like a whole lot of layered makeup in general, but especially not in the summer. Okay, so this is what my face is gonna look like for the day. I ain't going nowhere, so I'm putting lashes on. Okay, the strength of the Dior mascara is gonna have to get me through this day. I definitely, feel like my face is looking a little blurred, but we're really gonna see how this is going to hold up throughout the day. So it is 12:14. I'm gonna go check in midday, then see y'all back here later tonight. Give me my thoughts on how this held up throughout the day as a primer and how it held up on my face when I used it on top of makeup. See you later. Okay, so checking in, it is 3:18 and skin is giving, okay, excuse me, did I just leave or is it 3 hours later? Ooh, this is on my phone because my vlogging camera died, so it's gonna be fuzzy because that front camera on the iPhone is, you know, a little blurry. But hello, no oil, no nothing. Miss Danessa is sitting pretty. We're onto something. Excuse me? Excuse me, do you see my face? Do you see my face? Oh, Miss Danessa, she ain't coming to play in 2022 because do you see my face? Y'all know I'm zoom in. Now, mind you, I just ate. I took a little nappy nap because the food put me out. Woke up, this is, oh my bad, I didn't even tell you what time it is. It is 6:30, so it's about 6.5 hours after I left for the day, and my face looks like I just left for the day. Oil where? And I had to go outside too. I had to go outside, carry the groceries inside. Hello. Oh, no, come in, zoom in. What? But, cause y'all know, T-zone is where I get oily. I was expecting, you know, a little something after wearing it the other day. I wasn't expecting this. Okay, Danessa. Definitely, this as a primer, the universal shade, absolutely, because I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I was a little nervous after using it on top, because I was using it on top to, like, you know, set concealer and foundation, stuff like that, because it says you can, you know, use your fingers and stuff like that and like push it into your skin to really, my heat just went on, to really, you know, like set your face and stuff like that. So how it worked the other day when I wore it on top, like I told you guys, it was separating a little bit, you know, like I felt like when I was trying to really blend it in, my makeup got a little patchy, so I had to fix that. Now, when I wore it throughout the day, yes, it helped as far as like controlling my oil and like staying blurred and stuff like that, but I was just like, I don't know if it's like life game changer type thing, right? But under makeup, oh, it's a game changer. That's a new favorite primer right there. I'm using that as a primer moving forward because, excuse me, it's been 6 hours later. It's gone through me cooking, it's gone through a nap, it's gone through being outside. Oh, absolutely. Now, the shades that are, you know, like pigmented shades, will I try picking up one of those? Probably. Because now I'm kind of like, well, what do you look like as a foundation? My arm is getting tired of holding this camera. Now I'm like, what do you look like as a foundation type thing? But now I'm thinking like, what would that look like on top of the universal shade as a primer? We're gonna have to work that out. But moving forward, as a primer, absolutely. Because what? It ain't got no business looking like this. What if I blotted my face? Hold on one second. I really don't feel like blotting just now made a difference. It looks the same. Zoom in one more time. Like what? If I tried opening this little section right here, like to see if any product got in there. Bruh. Yeah, run. Don't walk, run and go get it. Use it as a primer because, bruh. So yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. Thoughts on this? Hello, like it speaks for itself, absolutely. Did what it needed to do, and then wearing it in combination with the foundation and the glow serum primer, oh, y'all gonna see me this summer. See, now I got a reason why I can wear like a full beat all summer. Absolutely, absolutely. So I hope seeing me such has helped any of you were thinking of checking this out for yourself. I also did just wake up, so you know, bear with me. Make sure 2 thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bell, all that down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
yeah, yeah.